Hi, I just want to show you how to use the match function, continuation from what we did at first. So the one which we were doing at first was having an exact match whereby we're not approximating. Okay. Now what we're going to look at is uh, how to use the approximation. Now there are two ways which you can be able to use the match function using the approximation: greater than and less than. Okay. So right now we're going to deal with less than. Okay. So right now what you want to check out is to say you want to match 150 in this list. Now from the look of things you can be able to see that you can't see 150 here. Okay. You can't see it. But we are saying let us look up 150. When it comes here to check for 150 and it finds the the closest smallest, it should pick that one. So when it comes it checks. So it checks 0. Okay, it's too small. There's another one which is smaller than that. Then when it checks 500 and finds that it's big, it should just go back to pick 100. Okay. So the formula for that one, as I showed you, equals match. What is our lookup value? That 150 there. Then comma. What's our lookup array? This is our lookup array. Then you lock it by pressing F4, comma. And then what you want to check now to say that I want it to be a less than option. Okay. So when you're dealing with less than is the first one, which is 1. You can put it or you can't put it. It's okay. Alright. So now the match function retains the relative position of 2 because 100 is located at 2. Okay. So let us populate this formula. Going to the left. Okay. You see that if you're looking for 100, it looks for 0 at 0, small, goes for 100, then finds that it is actually equal to. So the less than will find a numeral which is equal to it, it picks the same numeral. Hence, this is what we are showing you here to say that 100 is less than or equal to x, but x is less than 500. So which means 100 is able to pick it. Okay. Alright. Now look at this. You've got negative 400 and it says non-applicable. It's because negative 100 is less than 0. So when it comes to check at this one, it finds B. When it goes back, there is nothing which is there. So non-applicable. Alright. That's why it's picking non-applicable there. Okay. So this is the formula which is there. Just remember that it's just increasing. It's just changing the cells by going to the right. This is D25. This one is C25. Okay. All right. So now I've shown it on the part on the how you can be able to. You can't get a value which is the first value. Now, when you're looking at the last value, have you seen that here the last value is 10,000, but we put 20,000. So when you put 20,000, it will scroll down, find 10,000, then check there's no any other. But 10,000 is less than 20,000. Okay, so it will still pick the 10,000 because we're looking at this. Alright, so that's why it picks the relative position of 7. Now you know that we say that match can be used to do a horizontal match. It's different from VLOOKUP, whereby if you want to do a horizontal match, you have to use the H lookup. So match, what are we matching? That, where, put comma, this is our array, Control Shift, twilight, then lock the formula F4, comma. What we're doing here is a negative position, so we're going to use it's a an approximation of less than. Then we lock it. When we close it, press enter, it returns. So you see that it's looking out for 50. It comes 0 is less than 50. That's fine. It goes to 100. 100 is greater than 50, so it goes back to 0 there. So that's how you can be able to do it for. That's how you can be able to do it for uh, using the less than. Alright, so try it out. If you have got any challenges, any questions, feel free to get in touch.